Hello, today we're going to spend a little time working with master data. We are in our demo deployment, but this will work for any deployment. The question came up as it relates to entering new data. If you're in data entry and you want to create a new chart and you're down here and you're looking for the method and the method is not there, or you're looking for you have to pick a method here. If you're looking for a parameter and the parameter is not there, or you're looking for an instrument and the instrument is not there, or you're looking for a sample name and your sample name is not there, how do you get those in? Well, all that is related to master data. So let's go over to our master data, which is up here in master data. And we'll be working with these three: method, sample, and instrument. So let's add some new methods. So let's sort this to the top and we'll see what we have. We have a couple of them in here: D3606, 5191, 5453, 5769, and 8071. Let's say I want to add a new method. I can do it two ways. First, I can add it by row by clicking the Add Method button. So I'll add TM1001, test method 1001, version 20, standard test method for gasoline. The parameter is parameter 1. Okay, and we'll just add that right now. And you can fill in these other things too if you like, but that's the way we're going to add this one. Save. And you can see we've got our new test method down here, TM test method 1001. Now let's say I wanted to add it by file. Let's show that. Here's a file that I've prepared. It's a CSV file with all of the same header rows that you see up here, except for alias. Alias is defined within the app only. So method, version, name, shorthand, you see those all across the top right here. And we've got test method 1002, test method 1003 with parameter 2 and parameter 3. Okay, let's add that CSV file right here. Test methods, open. Okay, and so let's sort these to the top. There we go. I've got my test method 1001, and we just added 1002 and 1003 from the file. Well, this isn't complete, and so let's say I wanted to do a little editing here on my originally entered one. I can click that, and I wanted to call this standard, get this corrected. There we go. And I wanted to put the volume percent here and the reporting resolution here, 0.01, and I can save that. Very good. So now we have updated that as well. I'll hit Save Methods just to finalize it. Great. So now we've got 3 new methods in there. Now let's add some samples. So same thing. I can add sample one at a time. So I'll add gasoline QC 101. Standard matrix is gasoline. Date created is 5/1/2024. Date expired is 5/1/2025. Oops, click, I have an error there as well. Okay, type is an SQC sample, and we'll just leave the rest of this ambient. Preparation, none. And my lot is X1001. There we go. And I save that. Save. And so I now see my sample right here, gasoline QC101, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and also add the 2 more from the file. So back in my file, I have a CSV file right here with some samples in it. Gasoline QC102, gasoline QC103, standard matrix, date created, so forth and so on. I'm going to add these. This is a common delimited. This is a CSV file. So I'll minimize that. I'll go here to add from file, and I will add my samples. Open. And there they are, gasoline 102 and gasoline 103. And just like before, if I wanted to add additional information, I would just click the edit button here, enter in any information I wanted to add. Say I wanted to change this to 5/1/2025. I could save that here. Very good. And then save the data. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Save the data right there. Okay, last but not least, let's add some instruments. I'm going to add an instrument using the Add Instrument tool, which is right here. I've got it assigned the location. We're going to assign it to Houston, to the main lab. We're going to call this one Mickey. Serial number X001. The manufacturer is Disney. Okay, very good. Let's add that guy. Save. And then we'll go to the next page. Oh, there he is right there. Mickey just got added. Took a few seconds. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add 2 more instruments. Let's go back to our file. And we've got some instruments right here. We're going to add Minnie and Donald, also from the manufacturer of Disney, to the Houston lab. Okay, so let's do that. Add from file. Instruments. There we go. Open. And we've got some now on the next page as well. So we've got Mickey, and now we've got Minnie, and we've got Donald. Okay, so we've added methods, we've added samples, and we've added instruments. So let's go back to our QC data and charts, to data entry, and see if we see those guys. So now in my methods, I now see test method 1001, 1002, and 1003. And let's click on 1001 and we'll see that we have parameter 1. If we click on 2000 or test method 1002, we have parameter 2. So let's choose that. Now in our instruments, we've added a couple as well. We've added Donald, Mickey, and Minnie, which you see right here. So we can pick one of those guys. And of the sample names, we've added 3 of those as well. You now see gasoline 1001, 1002, and 1003. So you'll see that these drop downs right here that you would need to be able to change or add to can be found in master data. And I've showed you how to enter those one by one, or also enter them from a file many at a time. Okay, thanks very much.